So we'll begin with just generally talking about the use of keyword searching in eDiscovery. And the reason that we use keywords in different phases of a matter is initially you may find it beneficial because you get a large data dump. That could be from your client, that could be from your opposing party. And when it's from your own client, we typically call that early stage culling. So that could be maybe your client sends you a lot of email files, but they're not targeted to any type of specific date range or relevant terms. It could be that you get a large dump from your opposing party, lots of productions, and you need to get through it quickly and identify the information that's most important for responding to your discovery, or in the case of your own client, just getting a handle on what your client's bringing to the table as far as preparing for your own strategy. So that's when you would use keywords to look at the data that you have, and based on what you know about your case, after talking to custodians, talking to your own client, reading over the potential complaint from your opposing party, honing in on the keywords and the phrases that are going to bring up the most relevant documents, and then hopefully being able to suppress the things that are not. You also would be using keywords for responsive and privilege review. So you've already determined the relevant document population to some degree, but you need to be more specific to respond to specific discovery requests and requests for production, subpoenas, and those sort of things that happen in the discovery process. It's also helpful in privilege review because you can go ahead and type in email domains of other attorneys that may have been involved in the matter, your own name, and you can call those out and prepare for your privilege log, ensure you're producing anything privileged. For depo prep, it's really helpful because you can consider the witness that you'll be examining and search for things that you'd like to direct examine them on, or if it's an adverse witness, you know the things that you want to go after them on for potential impeachment issues, or things that you might find in their expert reports or their prior testimony that you'd like to ask them about. And then ultimately, if you get to trial, these help you find your exhibits that you want to use based on all the things that you've already done, depositions and privilege review. All those things will come to full circle. Of course, in your trial, you know what you need to pay the most attention to, and it will help you prepare for your final exhibits that you would be exchanging in the courtroom.